Hey, can we pull together a list of contacts that are in the appointment scheduled folder and the follow-up folder? I just want to see how many there are of all of those specific contacts. You know, that's a great question. Using the advanced search feature in PhoneBurner will make it easy for you to find contacts based off of the folder that they're currently in your PhoneBurner account. And on this specific training, I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of the advanced search feature and search for contacts based off of their folder. So this is another video that's part of our advanced search training module, designed to help you get the most out of your data and take advantage of the advanced search feature and functionality of the system. So in the advanced search menu, you'll see a folder section. If we go ahead and expand that folder section, you're going to see three options. The first option is include folders. The second option is exclude folders. And the third option, archive/trash. Now, most of the time when you're doing a search, you're going to want to include specific folders. Like in my specific example here, I want to find all of the contacts that I have in my appointment scheduled folder and my follow-up folder. So I choose both of those folders in the include folders section and I hit search. That's going to return a list of all of the contacts in both of those folders. Now let's go back to the advanced search menu. And there may be times where you want to search for all the contacts in a bunch of folders, but not in a bunch of other folders. Or maybe you want to find all of the contacts in every folder except a specific folder. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these. And in the exclude folders option, I can say, you know what, how many contacts do I have in my account that are not currently in my leads folder? So I choose leads as my exclude folder, or maybe I also want to exclude my available leads folder. So those two folders, I don't want to count those, but I want everything else. So I go ahead and use exclude folders and select those two and hit search. And this will return all of my contacts that are not in those folders. Now let's go back to the advanced search. The last option that you'll see here is the archive/trash. Sometimes we trash contacts or we archive contacts, in which case they're not going to show up in our searches by default. They're excluded, right? You've told us to archive them, so we're not going to just bring them up just because you've actually asked us to hide them or you've deleted them. But there are certain cases where you're like, you know what, I really need to look everywhere in my account, or I need to check my archive. So let's go ahead and clear out my folders, exclude folders, and let's check our archive. Do I have any archive contacts in this account? No. Let's go to my trash. Do I have any contacts in my trash? I do. I have lots of contacts. Well, not lots. I got 36 contacts in my trash. So there may be situations where you want to search through your data, not just the contacts that are visible in the folders now, but also the contacts that may have been trashed from those folders or archived from those folders. So anyway, that's a quick little overview of the folder section within the advanced search that can really be used to help you identify the specific contacts that you want to work on right now. So anyway, thanks for taking a moment to watch this video. I hope this helps you and your organization get more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner. Thanks again, and happy dialing.